Hi guys, I wanted to share with you how to leave a comment when you're watching YouTube videos. So I just pulled up one of my first ones. Well, it's the first one videotaped, second one published. Awesome, simplest massage move ever. So, whoops, when you're watching a video and you go, oh, I want to leave a comment, you scroll all the way down under here and it says add a public comment. Loved making this video with Dr. Hooper and Dr. David. And then you see the little blue arrow? Press on that arrow and the comment is there. And then, oops. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. So there, you have to comment. Have a happy day. Bye-bye.